What's up, everyone? This is JD Olsen with the Martial Art Unlimited Association, and of course I'm here at my gym, Keishidojo Martial Arts Unleashed, and I have a dummy drill for you guys today, something you guys can practice at home, whether you have a training dummy like this, or maybe you have one of the ones with arms and legs, something you guys can practice from that at home. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to transition into several different drills and tie in some submissions at the same time. With the submissions, I totally get you have to use your imagination a little bit, but something fun that you can hopefully use to keep your training going even when you don't have a training partner. Let's go ahead and get right into this video. All right, so of course I have my position of full mount. Okay, I use the Revgear patch right here to identify if this is the top or the bottom. So for me, this is the head, this is the feet or the legs. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move myself to one side and I'm going to back step. So I just simply use that back step to get myself off of there. And now I'm going to scissor my hips. Okay, and I'm going to switch myself into the cross mount position. Understand right here, this figure four grip would be your American lock. And if I figure four grip the other way, this would be my Kimura lock. Okay, figure four grip is super important when it comes to your training. So again, the hand next to the head, if that's holding onto the wrist, the other arm comes up underneath, secures onto my own wrist. This is a figure four grip, and that would be my submission. And if I reverse it, the hand closest to the body, if that's the one that grabs and the other hand comes underneath and secures, that would be my submission. So those would be your figure four grip submissions no matter what. From here, I'm going to switch my hips and I'm going to go under the head. This will be called keishidojo or side mount. So right from here, side mount. Moving my arm all the way to the far side hip, okay, or I should say the near side hip. This is the far side hip, the near side hip. I flex my toes, and I'm here in this north-south position, okay? I'm just like this, and then I can carry on. I take a nice little step here. I back step again, pulling the arm up, or pulling the head up so I can get my arm underneath there, I should say. So now I'm in keishidojo on this side. Please understand, or please remember, if my arm is under the head, that's keishidojo. If my arm is under the shoulder, that's your keishidojo. So we call this keishidojo or side mount, and then this is always referred to as keishidojo. So I work my way around the dummy or the person, all to set up to go back the way I came, and hopefully they don't realize what I'm about to do. So as I'm here, I hug the shoulder. If I'm in the keishidojo, I pull this up, step over, and I have the arm bar. Okay? And so I'm here like this. I'm in the cross mount position. Scissor my hips. Now I'm in the side mount position. Flex my toes, move my hand to the near side, step over to north-south. Again, don't be too far down, just be right about here. Now, make sure you flex that foot, step over, and I purposely went under the shoulder. From there, all I'm going to do is pull a little bit, throw my leg right over the top, and catch them with an arm bar. To play around a little bit more, maybe I'm here in the cross mount position, and so again, I switch myself to keishidojo or side mount, moving my hand, stepping over north-south, continuing on. So here I am, okay, from there, switch your hips, hand on the near side hip, hand on the shoulder, pop up. From there, pull this arm, step over, spin the arm bar right there. Again, I'm transitioning across the dummy line, so hopefully my partner, my opponent gets confused as to where I'm going. If I switch this to face you guys, even if you started in the full mount, it doesn't change anything. So when I'm here, back step, cross mount, side mount, north-south, keishidojo, here, hand on the shoulder, hand on the hip, posture up, pull this, step, spin into the arm bar. Again, knees should be pinching pretty tight. Don't let them go. Another fun one to practice, if you have a training dummy like this, is simply to pop up to knee on belly. So I'm here, 1, 2, pop up, reset, back down, 1, 2, pop up, back down, 1, 2, pop up, grab that arm, spin, arm bar, right back over, hands on the mat, 1, 2, pop up, hook, spin, arm bar. Near side, 1, 2, pop up. Maybe this arm is messing with this knee. Scoop, right into it. 1, 2, messing with that knee, just reach, grab. Also, notice I'm not falling out vertical. I'm falling out at an angle, okay? I'm always hitting an angle. One of the things I like, Professor Carlos has talked about it several times, is to make sure that we don't hit at 3 or 9 o'clock. We always kind of go either to like the 2 o'clock or the 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So that way we can always target the arm bar and not get dragged out right away. So something pretty simple, moving around on the dummy. And then finally, I want to show you what we call the around the world drill. And so this is something that I created. I think it's kind of cool, and I think it's fun, and you guys should definitely train it, whether you have a training partner or a dummy. The trick is, wherever you start is where you finish. So wherever you start is where you finish. If I start in the cross mount position, the cross body position, and so the first thing I'm going to do, I face the feet in reverse side mount. Grab that far knee, step over to mount. And then from here, I'm going to simply back step off. So my hand comes across, back step off. Keep your weight on them the whole time. Scissor your hips. Now I'm in the cross mount, the cross body position. I'm in Keisa. I'm in north-south. I'm in the case on the secondary side. Cross mount, step, and I'm back all the way over. So you just went the complete way around where I just was. Again, starting here, back step, scissor my hips, Keisa, step, continue on, here, here, and I'm all the way around. And then a lot of times what I'll do is I'll put a timer on, or an interval timer, and then wherever I'm at, I'll try to find an arm bar. So if you're sitting here like this, and you're in full mount, and you hear beep, you just go right to the arm bar. Trying to get yourself back in. Keishidojo. There's an arm bar. North, south. Pull them up. Arm bar. Cross mount. Grab that arm right there. Arm bar. So, no matter wherever you are, you're just trying to hit an arm bar with every position you hit on the dummy. So it's something you can practice when you're training with either a partner, or like I said, if you happen to have a training dummy. Well, awesome guys, you stayed to the end of the video. You know what to do. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that like button. Let me know what to make more of. If you like the kind of stuff you see on our channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And then finally, if you haven't already done so, hit that bell icon so you know when more videos are coming out from myself, Coach Olsen, my friend Sifu Ed Stahl, and my man Sensei Josh Owens. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for checking out our videos. Thank you guys for the support. We'll see you in the next video. You guys stay safe. This is JD, and I'm out.